Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini's Deep Research tool to condense complicated topics into short reports and summaries. So first thing we do is go to gemini.google.com and we are greeted with the prompt page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Tools. Then under Tools, I'm going to click on Deep Research. And now I want to write a short but concise prompt. So we can start with, I want a report on global news. I want the findings. So there we go. Additionally, I want to focus on geopolitical news, and there we go. I feel like that's a pretty detailed prompt. You can change this to fit whatever needs you might need. So I'm gonna go ahead and click submit, and it should construct a research plan within a few minutes. So we can go over this research plan that it generates. Here we go. So this is the plan that it has generated. Identify, research, then some subpoints. 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks good to me. So now that it's given me a research plan that I have double checked that I'm satisfied with, I can go ahead and click start research. But if you'd like to make changes, for example, about the scope, you can click on edit plan, but for me this is good enough. I'm gonna go ahead and click start research. Let's try that again, and here we go. So it's going to show you in real time how it collects information and from what sources it takes that information from. So here we go. Here are the websites it's gonna use. You can also click on here and click on sources browse to get a more focused look into the sources and double check it if you'd like. Looks good so far. Collate some information and to write up a report. Specific detailed research into a particular topic that you might need for work or for, say, a college exam or for some research, and it does a pretty good job of finding good sources to use and summarizing them. Let's scroll down a bit more. New strategic direction. Alright, this is also a great way to keep up to date with relevant happenings in your particular field, say a field of science or maybe economics or programming. It's just a very versatile tool to use. So it should be finishing up now. If we look on the left hand side, you can see the progress it's made, and it's almost there. These are the last few steps in generating a deep research report. And here we go. Global geopolitical risk and the state of the world economy, an integrated analysis of March 2026. So each of these also has their own source if you'd like to double check where it got it from, and you can even turn this into an infographic or an audio overview. So there are lots of features you can use. If for example, you don't have the time to read through all of this, you can select audio overview and listen to it in the background while you're doing something else. Here's a table of contents as well, if you'd like to give it a quick skim. And yeah, overall, I'm very happy with the report it generated, and I'll definitely be reading through it a bit more. So this helps speed up the process instead of having to look through all the different news outlets, etc. You can simply get all your information from one place. So I hope I was able to show you something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.